Hello, my data friends. So, how from my introduction, I told you that I was going to take your hands through this journey of data analysis and data science, right? Yeah, I'm here to keep my promise. So, we are going to begin from our environment installation, and today we'll be doing Anaconda Jupyter Notebook installation. And to get that set up on our environment, we first need to get Anaconda Navigator downloaded. Yeah, so for that, you load your most preferred browser. And for me, it's always Google Chrome here. So when you load and you get to this link, anaconda.com/downloads, this is the official website of the Anaconda Navigator where you can access. Okay, so earlier I tried downloading and it requested I enter my email. So I don't know if it's going to persist or it's a one-time off download. I know the previous time before now when I downloaded, I didn't get that prompt. And so I think it's just an update. So let's see if it loads again. Okay, so it's a regular request before you download. So how it works, before you get access, then it's you enter your email. I have done that earlier. You enter your email and a mail will be sent to you with the link, something like this. And then this is where you get your download link. And then once you just click on download, it automatically starts downloading. I've done that. So let's get this set up on my system. Yeah, so after you've loaded and downloaded, you have it in your system, whatever location it's downloaded to your system. So you you get it, or you can better still just use your search bar to do that. And then it loads these prompts. Yeah, so you just click you next, and then this is for you to agree to the license agreement, and then next. Yeah, so this is where the file will be saved. If you want to change it, you can browse and select your preferred location, but for me it's fine. So I'm going to continue, and we'll just go with the default, create a start menu shortcut. Yeah, register Anaconda 3 as my default Python. So it installs. Yeah, so when you select next, everything next, finish. Okay, so we've gotten our successful installation interface. This is it's fully installed. After the installation, when you get the this successful installation interface, so it means Anaconda has been installed on your device. So you come and search Jupyter, and you get the Jupyter Notebook application. And when you open it, so now this is the tricky part. When you open Jupyter Notebook, it opens two environments, sort of. Yeah, if you notice what happened, so it opens the command line interface, and then the notebook interface using the web browser. The notebook is where you're going to work, and then you see that the notebook is able to read your files from your device. So it says this is Anaconda 3, it was opened 4 minutes ago. So it has all the directories to your device, and then these are existing notebook. You might not have notebooks if it's your first installation, but these your computer directories, of course you will see them here. I'm assuming that this is your first time having this setup and you want to start your first notebook. So you come to the top right hand side and you see this button new. Click on it and you select notebook and it loads. It's still loading, yeah, so it loads. And this is your first Python programming notebook environment. You can write our first programmers ultimate code line. And you run. Voila! That's your first line of code. So I hope you enjoyed this and keep anticipating for more.